let's queer up education. DeSantis Florida Attorney General compares gay penguin books to Nazi propaganda. Ron DeSantis Attorney General Ashley Moody compared a children's book about a same-sex penguin coupled to Nazi propaganda in a legal filing for a case that is challenging the state's anti-LGBTQ plus book ban. The lawsuit filed by authors and book publishers against Escambia County School Board says the board violated authors and publishers' First Amendment free speech rights by removing a gay-inclusive children's book, and Tango Makes Three, and other books from its shelves. The book, one of country's most frequently banned books, is about a same-sex penguin couple raising a chick. However, Moody says the book's removal does not violate free speech protection because public school systems make value-based judgments on what material students can access every day. In her brief, Moody wrote, public schools, quote, public school systems exclude materials like Nazi propaganda because they disagree that the Nazis were wonderful, end quote. Tellingly, the brief also mentions two LGBTQ plus related Supreme Court cases to support the argument: Hurley versus Irish American Gay, Lesbian, and Bisexual Group of Boston, and the 303 Creative LLC versus Elenis, but both cases examine whether the government could force private businesses owners to express support for the LGBTQ plus community against their will. Comparatively, the Florida case is about whether the government can censor texts about queers and marginalizing groups. You know, truthfully, I love penguins, but I'm not a big fan of Nazis. Pretty Jewish over here.
Okay.
I mean, how do you take something like animals like penguins and compare them to Nazis? Like, how awful of a person do you have to be able to make that comparison?
They're awful.
Yeah.
This awful.
This awful, yeah.
And with a woman whose forehead is that big, you think she has some wits about her, right? You think she'd be a little bit smarter, but no, she about dumb as hell. Go ahead.
But no, listen, I've read Tango Makes Three, and it's a cute, adorable children's book. It literally is two freaking penguins taking care of a little chicken.
That's adorable.
Okay? That's it. It is adorable. There's nothing bad about it, right? They will find hate in anything that has to do with us, plain and simple.
Yeah.
And that's where we're at.